Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss scroll and fix position in Adobe XD. So let's get started. Now we are in XD and I have created this message screen design for this tutorial. To enable scrolling, turn on this option to vertical from none. Viewport height should be equal to the height of your artboard. In my case, it is 812 pixels. This is going to be the visible area when we will preview this in desktop preview. Now I'm going to select this group and turn into a repeat grid, and I'm going to extend it all the way here. I will click on the name of the artboard and drag this handle to down here. Scroll will not work if you don't do this. And I'm going to preview this, and the scroll is working fine, but the header should be fixed to its position. To do so, I'm going to check this option, fix position when scrolling. This will fix this group into its position and it will not move when we will be scrolling. I also want a navigation bar at the bottom. I already designed one. I'm going to drag this into the artboard and make sure it is sniping with the viewport. Also check this option for fixed position for navigation bar. I will preview it, and that's it guys. Our header and navigation bar are not moving while you can scroll the messages. And that's it for today guys. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.